Here's an example of genetic results for rotator cuff injury, a fairly significant type of shoulder injury for overhead throwing athletes like quarterbacks and pitchers or swimmers. We found a genetic marker for rotator cuff injury. It's called RS714... That's a spot in your genome where sequence can be different between people. It's a single nucleotide polymorphism. Genotype indicates this person's sequence at this spot. So this person was a G over A, which means heterozygous, G from one parent, A from another parent. Effect allele is the allele that we score, A, and the frequency of A is 3.5% versus G the rest of the time. P-value is the strength of the association of this polymorphism with rotator cuff injury. Here it's 2 times 10 to the minus 8, 2e minus 8. That's a pretty small number, indicating a fairly strong association of this SNP with the injury. Relative risk is the risk for a person carrying one copy of this effect allele. So like this person, we would see a 29% increased risk for rotator cuff injury. For overhead throwing athletes, this type of injury can be 40% of the time. And so a person like this would have increased risk over that 40%, 51% injury. If you have questions or comments, send us an email at contact@axgen.us. And remember to train smart